Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add, remove, and manage apps in Assistive Access on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Assistive Access. And from here, tap on Manage Apps. In here, to remove apps from Assistive Access, you can tap on the Remove button and then tap on Remove. To add in more apps, you can tap on the Add button at the bottom. So here I can tap on the Add button right next to Music. Then I can tap on scroll down and in here select which playlist you want to add set available for music, and then tap on continued and then tap on add photos. In photos you can tap on include share albums, so you can choose to allow or don't allow share albums when you are in assistive mode, and then tap on continued. Next, you can go down and add in more apps. So it's here, these apps have not been adapted for Assistive Access, but it can still be added to the home screen. So you can go down here and choose apps that you want to allow to use in Assistive Access. So here we can add in the weather app. You can choose other apps as well, such as Safari. Tap on the add button, and then after that you can tap on the back key. Then tap on Start Assistive Access. Now put in the passcode. And you will be able to see on the home screen, it will show all the available apps that you have just added. So give it a few moments for the phone to configure Assistive Access. And here you can see we have calls, camera, messages, music, photos, weather, and Safari. If we tap on photos, it will show all the photos in Assistive Access. And that's it. Now I can tap on the back key, or I can exit Assistive Access by triple click on the side button here. Then tap on Exit Assistive Access, then put in my current passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.